Good morning, children. Welcome back to our class. Children, in the previous class, we have started our fifth lesson, children. Yes or no? Fifth lesson, transport and communication in India. And we have discussed land transport, water transport and air transport. Yes or no, children? We have discussed, no? Land transport, water transport and air transport. In today's class, let us discuss about traveling outside the country, children. Okay, children, have you ever traveled out of the country, children? Have you ever traveled? Most of us have not traveled out of the country, but few of you might have traveled outside the country. Children, what do we require to travel out of country? Means to travel from our country to the other country. What do we require, children? What do we need? Children, to travel within a country, we require an identification card, children. Identity card. To travel within a country, we require an identity card. For example, children, Aadhaar card. Aadhaar card is issued to every citizen in India. Yes or no, children? We all have Aadhaar card. Yes or no, children? To travel out of country, means to travel from our country to another country, we need some other documents, children. We need some other documents, means evidence, children, proofs. Children, passport is one such document, children. A passport shows that we are citizens of country. A passport shows that we are citizen of country. It is a proof of citizenship in a country, children. Passport is a proof of citizenship in a country. And children, to enter other countries, we need visa, children. To enter other countries, we need visa. Visa is permission to enter into other countries, children. Visa is permission to enter into other countries. Visitors international stay admission, children. Visa means visitors international stay admission. Visa is a stamp marked on the passport of a person who wants to visit other country. Visa is a stamp marked on the passport of a person who wants to visit other country. Children, all these documents are checked at the airport, children. All these documents are checked at the airport. Now let us see major forms of communication, children. Children, what is communication? We know communication means sending and receiving messages. Sending and receiving the information. Children, in the olden days, pigeons were used to send the messages, children. In the olden days, pigeons were used to send the messages. For example, if a king of one kingdom want to send any information to the king of other kingdom, they used to write it in a small piece of cloth or paper, children. If a king of one kingdom want to send any type of information to the king of other kingdom, they used to write it on a small piece of cloth or paper, children, and tie it to the legs of the pigeon. Not only pigeons, children, men and animals also carried the messages, children. Men and animals also carried the messages. Children, but this took long time, children. To reach the destination, this took long time. But now, children, communication has become easy and quick. Yes or no, children? Communication has become easy and quick. Communication has become easier due to better means of communication, children. Communication has become easier due to better means of communication. Children, communication can be divided into two types, children. Personal communication and mass communication. What are the two types of communication, children? Personal communication and mass communication. Children, can you tell me the example of personal communication, children? Yes, children, very good. Post, telephone and internet. These are the major means of communication, children. Post, telephone and internet. These are the major means of communication. Children, let us learn about the personal communication in details, children. First, let us discuss about letters, children. Children, letters are the popular form of communication, children. Letters are the popular form of communication. Children, have you ever wrote a letter? Have you ever wrote a letter, children? I think you have written leave letter. Yes or no, children? I think you have written Leave letter. Fine. Children, to write a letter, people buy postcards and inland letters, children, from the post offices. People buy postcards and inland letters from post offices. Children, the message is right there on the front of postcard, children. In the postcard, the message is right there on the front side. As if in the inland letters, children, the message is inside the letters, children. In the inland letters, the message is inside the letters. Children, one can use a plain paper to write message, children. One can use a plain paper to write a message, but it has to be sent in a stamped envelope, children. It has to be sent in a stamped envelope. Envelope means cover, children. It has to be sent in a stamped envelope. Buses, trains, aeroplanes and ships carry letters and parcels, children. Children, if you want to send any letter or parcel to the other country, aeroplanes carry letters, children, and also parcels. So we can send a letter or a parcel to other country also. Children, nowadays people are using courier service, children. Nowadays people are using courier service or speed post, children. Speed post for sending urgent letters, children. Nowadays people are using courier service or speed post for sending urgent letters, because children, they take less time to reach the destination. Because they take less time to reach the destination. Okay children, hope so you have understood today's topic. Let me give you today's task. Children, I am giving new words from today's topic, children. Okay, continue with the previous new words. Okay, yes. First one, identification, children. First one is identification. Next, documents. Documents. Passport. Passport. Visa. Airport. Communication. Postcards. Inland letters. Stamped envelope. Courier. Courier, children, last one. Children, these are the new words from today's topic. Write these new words neatly in your classwork and send it to my personal window. Thank you, children.